It would be really neat if you could ask 1 million people what they're thinking and get results in 30 seconds. Companies could ask what to sell, politicians could ask how to govern, and Taylor Swift could ask her fans what dress to wear to the Oscars. But now we have to guess what people want because there's no quick way to ask a lot of people a question that they'll actually answer. Starbucks wants to ask me questions, so my barista hands me a receipt asking me to go online and take a survey, but I'm not going to save that receipt. MSNBC puts a question on its website, but I only see it if I'm on the website. And if Taylor Swift wants to poll her fans, I guess she could tweet a SurveyMonkey link, but people look at Twitter from their phones and they hate clicking links from their phones. So how do you ask quickly? You send push notifications. This spring, I talked to more than one person who didn't vote for the red cohort because they had to click a survey link from their email. And you all must be thinking, how do we communicate with these OMG millennials who won't check their email? But this is the new reality. We skip over emails from our grandparents who love us, but when we get push notifications from people we hardly know on Snapchat and we see that red circle, we open it every time. This is why an app like Yo can be worth $84 million. Literally, all it does is send the word Yo as a push notification. It's worth so much because when a surprise rocket attack hits northern Israel and the IDF needs to warn parents to bring their children inside, they need instant communication. Email's too slow, Yo sends push notifications. So enter OVote. Entities make groups users choose to join just like following a Twitter account. You only get questions from the groups you've joined. You don't want to get questions from Jeb Bush, so you don't join his group. Once you're in, you'll get push notifications with multiple choice questions you can answer by touching your smartphone twice. That's the simplicity that's making technology great right now, changing long popular processes to single servings. Slack puts conversations on one screen so you don't have to dig through 20 emails. Instagram was one photo instead of entire albums on Shutterfly, and when Twitter came out they called it microblogging. It allowed more people to create content without publishing volumes. What Twitter did to Blogger, OVote will do to SurveyMonkey, whose web surveys ask 13 questions on average. OVote questions are one at a time. On OVote, groups are as small as your learning team asking when to meet, or as big as Pinkberry asking the next frozen yogurt flavor to release. They can make a focus group out of their entire customer base. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, guide us on OVote. To convince Pinkberry we need evidence that it's worked somewhere, we're going to convince them by telling them that it worked at the Yale School of Management. It all starts at Evans. That makes you crucial to this project, and by giving OVote a chance, you are making it so that this will always be SOM's baby. So really, thank you for this opportunity.